The people who want needle exchange programs will tell you it's rather simple. They need to take dirty needles off the streets and save lives.
But the idea has been slow to catch on until recently, and it could be expanding very soon in northern Kentucky. Local 12's Brad Underwood is in the newsroom now with what could be ahead. Brad?
Well, Cammie, you can trace the concept back to the mid-'80s, but in northern Kentucky, there's just one needle exchange program. But in the past few months, county commissioners in 2 different counties have approved ordinances for this program. In cities like Newport and in Covington, county health departments could soon be locations for needle exchange programs.
If we could stop one incidence of AIDS, it would pay for the whole program.
Eric Specht of NKY Hates Heroin knows the direct impact of the drug. 2.5 years ago, his son Nicholas died of an overdose. Specht says if the needle exchange program was around then, it might have been able to help his son.
That our organization's very interested in helping people that find themselves in the same situation we found ourselves in, Holly and I, as parents. You know, when we found out that our son was using heroin.
Recently, Campbell County approved a resolution to operate an exchange program. Kenton County did it back in March. Now, the programs need a home city to adopt the plan and take dirty needles off the street.
We're finding syringes all over the place, parking lots and who knows what, and there's always that danger of a needle stick to a child or someone in a park, you know, walking their dog or who knows what.
Getting tainted needles off the street is one way the Northern Kentucky Health Department hopes to cut down on AIDS and hepatitis C cases. Last year, the department reported more than 1,100 cases of Hep C. But it's also about counseling those addicted.
Trying to provide support and capture those people at a time when they would be willing to get help.
Now back to Grant County. This is the only exchange program in northern Kentucky. It's open for 3 hours every Wednesday at the health department. You don't have to be a Grant County resident to use that program. Cammie.
All right, Brad Underwood, thank you. And if Newport approves the program, the Campbell County Administration Building would be the exchange location. St. Elizabeth Hospital is also a possibility.